Very good morning, students. I welcome you all for the today's discussion on the first model, nature and significance of management. So already we have completed the nature and significance of management. Now we discuss the very important questions as per NCERT with respect to the first model, nature and significance of management. So in a first model, we discuss 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, 4 mark questions, 8 mark questions and practical oriented. So for the final examination, right, this is very important. Part A, I mean section A, 1 mark questions. The first question is, what is efficiency? The answer for the question efficiency. Efficiency refers to doing the task correctly with minimum resources, less time and less cost is called efficiency. Second question, what is effectiveness concerned with? The term effectiveness is concerned with the end result or the final output. Look over the question number 3. Give an example for top level or middle level or supervisory level management. Let me give some examples to the top level management. BOD, CEO, chairman, secretary. To the middle level management, production department manager, finance manager, HR manager, R&D manager. Supervisory level management, nothing but the lower level management or operational level management. Supervisory level management positions are supervisor, inspector, foreman and departmental officers. Look over the question number 4. This is MCQ question. Which of the following is not a function of management? So planning, this is the function of management. Staffing, the function of management. Controlling, the end function of management. But cooperating, this is not the function of management. This is essence of management. Hence the right answer is option C. Look over the question number 5. Management is option A an art, option B a science, option C both art and science, and option C D neither. I mean none of the above. So the right answer is option C both art and science. Next, question number 6. The following is not an objective of management. Option A earning of profit, option B growth of the organization, option C providing employment opportunities, option D policy making. Right? The right answer is policy making, because the policy making, this is not an objective, this is the function of top level management. Next, question number 7. Policy formulation is the function of top level management, middle level management, operational level management, and option D all of the above. So the right answer, policy formulation, is the function of option A top level management. Always the top level management people, they used to prepare plans and policies to the organization. Question number 8. Coordination is option A function of management, the essence of management, an objective of management, none of the above. Coordination is the essence of management. The right answer is option B. Next, part B, define management. Very important for 2 marks. Part B, 2 mark questions. Define management means definitions of management according to the father of management, P.F. Drucker. Management is a multi-purpose organ which manages business, managers, workers and their work in the organization. This is the suitable definition to the term management as per the father of management. Question number 10. State any 2 organizational objectives of management. To this question, the right answer, survival, growth and profit. Define coordination. Next, question number 12. Justify the importance of coordination by any 2 factors, growth in size and functional differentiation. Part C, 4 mark question. Explain the objectives of management. So to this question, at least 4 objectives of management you should explain, means either organizational or personal or social objectives. Explain any 4. Give any 4 grounds to say management is very important. I mean importance of management. 14th question. To this, minimum 4 points. So management increases efficiency, management creates dynamic business, management helps in achievement of personal objectives, and management helps in development of society. So these are the very important points related to importance of management. Question number 15, explain the characteristics of management. So you need to explain all 7 characteristics. I mean, management is a continuous process, management is all pervasive, management is goal oriented, management is multi-dimensional, management is a dynamic function, right? Management is all about intangible force. So these are the characteristics of management. Next, question number 16, management as an art and a science are not mutually exclusive but complement to each other. Elucidate. To this question, you should write the features of art and science applications. Next, define coordination. Explain the characteristics of coordination. To this question, already I have given the definition and characteristics of coordination. At least 5 to 6 features you should mention and you should explain. And firstly, you should write the definition of coordination. Next, management is a series of continuous interrelated functions. Comment. So to the question number 18, you should write all the functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Along with the functions, to the each and every functions of management, you should write the meaning and process. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Do share, subscribe and comment.